In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this cool looking text effect in Vegas Pro. I will be using Vegas Pro 16, but you could use other Vegas versions apart from Movie Studio to create this awesome text effect. With this text effect, you could use to create your video intro titles, video sliders, and others. Let's get into the video. Opening up your project, you need to go to Media Generators, select Vegas, select Legacy Text, and pick the default preset. Edit, go to Properties, you can pick a color of your choice, add space in between these letters, go to Tracking and slide it a bit to the right so that it creates more gaps between the letters. You could also reduce the size if that is too much. Go to the event pan crop like that, go to mask, pick your rectangle tool, or if you are using older versions like Sony Vegas Pro 11 and below, you will need to select the anchor creation tool for the masking, then you mask out the text you want. But since I have these shapes, I would rather select the rectangle tool for easy going. So the next procedure is to mask out each letter of this word. So I will choose M to start. You can start with any letter of your choice. Create a new track by right clicking and selecting insert video track. Since we have 5 to 6 letters, we will need to create 6 video tracks. So I will still right click, go to insert track, copy this one and paste at the top. Same. Now go to the video track above your main video track. Go to event pan crop. Make sure your cursor is at the very beginning. I need to check this one to be sure it was at the very beginning. If not, it's going to add a keyframe at this position. So make sure you set it at the beginning of your event. Now you can move this one to maybe select letter Z, just like that. Press and hold down while dragging. Make sure it doesn't select any other letter. Go to the other layer and then you maybe select letter A. So you will need to do that throughout these layers. So I will speed up this process for us to get time. That is it. We've masked out each letter of that name, Armando. So at the very beginning of your first text, count 15 to 20 keyframes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, and then you place this one. You can use a solid color to best ease your work. Go to solid in Vegas, choose solid color, then pick any color of your choice, just place it here, close it, split it from one position and delete it. This will be our measurement, so at this point you can't resize, so place this one here and you just place it this way. So after counting the number of keyframes this solid color contains, you can now use to resize the position of this other one. So place it up and then make this one to meet it. Next, add a fading transition to your text, just like this. Make it touch the beginning of the other text, this way, this way. So if I play back like this, you see that the fading is too fast, the text is too fast, so you can increase the distance between these texts by either increasing this maybe to this amount, position it back like this, slide it. This way. Do the same. So you can also add this fade transition at the very end of your text. If it is long, you can now resize this one to the level you want, maybe doing it to fade out just like before. Adding fade out transition, maybe towards 24, or depends on your liking. So you can add a background color, a background video to make your text looks more beautiful. One, see the background. It is also possible for you to add these colors. So you need to go to each generated media and select a particular color under properties. For example, this is blue, means that I'm dealing with the end. Go back to the other one and select its own color. You can preview it here. This color is light blue, that means it should be A, and so on. That is the package I put for you today on how to create a minimalistic text effect that could be used in creating video intros. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like, share and comment. I will see you in the next tutorial.